Austria Centre Vienna, known as the International Heart of Vienna, is hosting UEG Week 2018. And right in the middle, Fujifilm presents its state-of-the-art technologies to the endoscopy world, with more than 14,000 experts in attendance. This is the perfect audience to share the results of a latest study about Fujifilm's linked colour imaging mode, LCI. With booth lectures, hands-on training sessions, and a symposium on Monday night, Fujifilm are contributing heavily to the endoscopic training and education programme. One of the experts providing booth lectures and hands-on training during UEG Week is Dr. Jochen Beit. During his lecture at the Fujifilm booth, he shared his positive impression of the new duodenoscope after having conducted more than 150 examinations, and he recognised the recent published study on LCI.
There are preliminary data, so first studies published, that the polyp detection is a little bit higher in good conducted trials, but these are first initial experience.
These positive first results on LCI are beneficial for both doctors and patients, as well as for Fujifilm, because it proves that the company is on the right track and shows that Fujifilm will never stop in its mission to advance healthcare.